Hey everybody, Spurgle here, back again. Episode 8 of this clothing importing tutorial, and today we're going to carry on with a squeaky chair and the male model. We finished up Blender with the weight transfer and fitting it to the player model, so straight from where we left off into Object Builder. First thing, same as the female, we want to sort out the normals and apply the texture. Where are we here? And the RV mat. Okay, and yeah, this process is going to be pretty much the same as we've already covered doing the female one, so I might skim over it a little bit more. Clean up the selections. I'm gonna, instead of using eliteness, I'll use the female jacket as a reference, so I'll just put that on the side screen and delete the ones we don't need. Okay, that looks about right. I'm pretty sure the camo male, yeah, it doesn't cover the whole object, so select all of that and redefine. Gonna put that neck piece in the same as we did in the female, so again, get your male model, hit F5, let's see the mesh. Yeah, that should be plenty for the size of the mesh. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it into a new lod. Remove, we don't want the camo male. Don't want any of those three. So delete them. And then copy it again. Paste it in our mesh. And there we go. We can now delete that one. And that's pretty much ready, but I remember from doing the female one we had some issues with the spine and spine ones waiting down at the bottom. Let's try and fix that. Yeah, see, there's missing some of the bottom of the jacket. Let's check. 8% and 2%. Okay, so we'll do spine, hit N, lower this right down. Maybe not that low. There we go. Paint all of these missed vertices. Make sure you get them all, and then right click, redefine, and I want to do a little bit on spine one, but that's going to be a bit stronger. And again, paint all of the missed vertices down at the bottom here. And then redefine. Also remembering from the female model, we had some oddities going on at the hood. I've already deleted the head selection, but there was, oh, this one seems to have been caught by the spine. I'm pretty sure last time just that top little bit hadn't had any spine. Looks like it could maybe do with a bit more just there. That spine's only 36%, whereas the vertex next to it, spine's 83%. So let's put that up to up here somewhere. Spine 3. Get the tool back up by hitting N and paint them. Sometimes you've got to refresh it. See, yeah, now they've gone a bit darker. Now, other than that, the only issues with the weighting, let's get rid of that tool, were around the shoulder seams. Remember, we had those jiggity jaggedy lines. I think that's the sort of thing I want to see in game before I try and fix, not just do it from memory. So that is ResLod 1 done. I think the only other lod we actually need for it to function in game would be a geometry lod. So let's give this a go. Just give it a geometry with new auto center. That's not how you spell center. Center 0. And see if that is just enough to be able to see this item in game. So save. Minimize that one. We can close this female one, don't need that anymore. And load up good old add-on builder. Okay, in game, male character. Let's see what's going on with this one. There's definitely still something not quite right with that hood. Run in and put my head all the way down. Let's drop this axe for a minute. Put my head all the way down. You can see just there, there's something's getting pulled a bit much. Maybe too much neck on it, maybe. So that could be the only issue. Maybe remove the neck from up there altogether. Also, I've noticed the same issue we had last time with the belt kind of clipping through. It's a bit annoying. I have to go back to Blender to fix that one. Maybe do that when I do the decimating for the ResLods. Other than those two little issues, where's that axe gone? No, it's gone. Let's have a look. Axe. And let's grab a Mosin. Just to see. Yeah, we've got the same jiggity jaggedy that we had in the female version. Needs some fine tuning with the weights around there. I did say the textures will get a bit stretched. You see that stretching around the waist. It's not great, but for this example, I'm only showing the process. I don't have to get it perfectly. There's something funky going on with that hood. Look at that. It's fine on this side though. That side's just a bit jaggedy, so yeah, a bit more fine tuning with the weights, and then make the other lods. What will we need? We're gonna need the view pilot and the other ResLods, and the only other one that we need for this one is a view geometry. Properties, that's what I wanted. So I think I will continue off cam a little bit just to fix those weights, same as before. Oh, or actually, shall I do a time lapse? How long have we been recording? 11 minutes. Yeah, I might do a time lapse. Anyway, you guys don't need to watch me fine tune this. I'm not sure if I'll even bother for this example. You understand the process by now. I'm pretty happy with how that's turned out mostly. Before I release the sample, I'll create all the res lods and do any fine tuning, but we've literally just watched that in the female versions. So next episode I'll do the ground model, and that will probably button up this whole leather jacket example. Anyway, later peeps, bye.